Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Akudo and you are welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, we will be making homemade white bread. Please, after watching, do me a favor by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. The ingredients for this bread are 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of sugar, 1 whole egg, 9 grams of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of melted butter, and 200 milliliters of warm milk. Pour the milk into the bowl. The dry yeast, egg, and melted butter. Whisk together. After that, sieve in your flour. Followed by the sugar and salt. Mix very well. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. Bring out the dough and start kneading. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until the dough is very soft. After kneading, grease your bowl and place the dough inside it. Cover and allow to rest for 60 minutes. This is our dough after 60 minutes. Sprinkle some flour and bring out the dough. Spread it out. And then roll a bit with your rolling pin. And start rolling it up. I have greased my bread pan. Then place the dough inside the pan. Cover it to rest for another 1 hour. Here is our dough after 1 hour. We will be baking it for 30 to 35 minutes in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.